Hey guys, Matt with Gulf Coast. Today we're at 1604 52nd Avenue West, which is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath duplex in Bradenton. And actually, 1611 right next door is currently occupied, but 1607 is vacant. I'm going to show you the inside, but the two units are identical, just flipped around. So we'll take a look in. So you have terrazzo flooring, you got new paint, nice big living room here. Again, this is a 2-2, about 1,100 square feet, so nice size. A nice big backyard. Let me bring you over here. So you do share a yard with the other unit, and as you can see way down in the back you have a fence there. So your yard extends all the way to that fence, and you do share half the yard with the other tenant, but you do have a little privacy wall as well. And decent outside space. Galley kitchen here. Take you around back, and again here's a nice bright living room. And then down the hall, first bedroom. And I'll take you back over here. Second bed, or guest bathroom. New tub, new shower combo, new toilet. And then here's the master. Again, the room's really good size. New shower sliding doors there. New vanity. Bring you around here. So here's the master. Got your closet. And you actually have a indoor laundry room. You do have the hookups there. And that is it. So again, like I said, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, about 1,100 square feet. This is 1607. 1611 is also the same exact unit, but just flipped. So feel free, take a look at our website for more pictures or find out more information on these homes. Thanks guys.